Okay, so I just got in from a great prayer time, an awesome time with God reading the Word, and it was a beautiful day outside. But excuse the sweaty face and the messy hair. It was kind of breezy and beautiful outside, and I walked longer than I thought I would. Yeah, got a few little blisters on the bottom of my feet, but it felt awesome. So anyway, I do want to share with you a quick tip. Sometimes when you buy clementines, these little guys right here, they can be in a very large bag, a large container. And so by the time you get to the bottom, like I am with these, you'll notice that those are not exactly the best ones. I always grab the ones that are nice, big, full, ripe, bright orange. And these are the ones that are kind of not the best in the bag. But what I love to do is to take those and peel them and take the sections and drop those into my amazing, and I'll show it to you, my amazing Blendtec blender. And I have ice here. This ice is made with my distilled water. We call it the Stag water. Everybody knows that. It's very good for you, better than what you get in the bottles, the plastic bottles. But this is all filtered water. And so I'll drop the ice in here. I'll drop the orange slices in here. I'll grab a little bit of this delicious protein that is vanilla flavored, and man, you come out with an awesome tasting, it's almost like a milkshake, but without the dairy issues that some people can have. You can use a plant protein, and if you have any kind of dairy issues, but it comes out tasting, I don't know if you remember as a kid, I do, those orange sickles that had the vanilla ice cream on the inside and the orange, kind of orange juice, orange colored frozen stuff on the outside. I loved those as a kid, and this tastes just like that, but healthy and good for you. So just a little tip, something you can do is like a snack, very refreshing. It's full of nutrients. You're getting your vitamin C, you're getting your protein. I highly recommend it. You will love it. Okay, so I have my orange slices. I threw in a frozen banana. I froze it earlier. When bananas start getting spots on them and stuff, if you don't want to waste that banana, you can always throw it in the freezer and use it later for one of these. So this smoothie has the filtered water ice. It's got a little bit of Chobani Greek style yogurt, the plain one with not a bunch of carbs and sugar in it, none of that. Just lots of good protein, good bacteria. And then it's got those clementine slices in there, and we'll mix it up, see how it goes. So this is a incredible blender. It has several functions on it, but it has this pulse one. So when you're first starting, you can kind of pulse your food like this to start the blending process and kind of get it going, so you don't run into a bunch of big strokes and things. There it is, blending up the storm. This thing will blend golf balls. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is so good. Okay, I'm gonna do something I don't normally do, but since I'll wash this out and I'm gonna be the only one drinking it, I'm drinking right out of this pitcher. Oh, that's good. Wow. Take a look at that. Thick, juicy. Oh man, so refreshing. Wow. I love this stuff. So I had an idea, and I thought, I wonder, never seen one, but what would a chocolate-coated creamsicle, one of those orange vanilla creamsicles, taste like? So I threw in a little chocolate keto powder, and man, is it even better. So just one scoop of that chocolate keto powder, and now I'm tasting a chocolate-coated orange vanilla creamsicle. Oh my goodness, is that delicious. Okay, so I highly recommend you try this. You're gonna love it. And remember, love each other deeply from the heart. Love cures all ails for everyone. Love is the most excellent way. Love never fails. And I want to encourage you to always cook with love. I hope this little
snack recipe helps you out and you find yourself being refreshed and feeling good inside, like I do right now, like I just drank a little bit of sunshine, and it's brightening up my day. Even though it's a beautiful day outside, sometimes in here I need some sunshine. So, wow, that's good. Have a great day, guys.